Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing these chores checklist. It came in 4, so I bought it as a bundle. So we have this magnetic ones that you can stick on the fridge or you can screw on the wall. And then these are the magnetic stickers or like adhesive. And then these are the ones that are like keychains where you can like carry them in your bag. So these are the small versions. So let's open this up. So let's start with the small ones. So there's one. Okay, so it came with 6 keychains, checklist keychains. So this is how it looks like. So you can like toggle the buttons for a check and X, and then there is this the sticker that you can stick. So let's open it up. So let's check out this green one. I'm not gonna open everything, but they're the same. So the back piece looks like this, and then the front piece looks like this. So you're supposed to, like, these are stickers. You can remove them and like put them over here, like those pictures, and then you can attach the rest on the back. So yes, so there are some extra stickers here in the front and in the back. You can attach some for extras here in the back. So if you run out of things to do here, you can add some in the back and still use the toggle. So that's for our keychains. So this is the bigger set. So it comes with 4 colors. So we have white, blue, green, and pink. So let's look at this closely. So if you have a better adhesive, it's better to use that. This is really thin, so I will be using a different adhesive for this one. It's actually not magnetic. I thought it's going to be magnetic, but it's not. So you can also just like put a screw in the wall and attach it on the wall, or you can just leave it at the desktop. So it comes with this pre-printed chore list. You can change it. To change it, all you have to do is remove this piece, and then this just goes right out, or you can like pry it out with a pen or something. So this is the toggle button. As you can see, there's a check and an X. Some of this toggle buttons are a little bit hard, some are soft, so you just have to, it's probably soften in time. So this one is softer. Let's see. So I actually like the white because it's more visible, but so that is our video for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.